of all, I want to thank everyone who has come here today in this beautiful occasion, and this marks our beginning of the Bengali New Year also, Poila Boishakh, and Shubho Noboborsho to everyone. Thank you. So obviously, I'm very I'm very eager to see the media, the national media this time, because Puratan is not only a Bengali film, but I think it is a film for the Indian diaspora. It's not only about the Bengali sensibilities, but it's about a universal and eternal sensibilities. What human race is, there in this whole wave of things for years. So I believe this movie is something very very special to us, for me, Indranil, everyone, because this has our iconic actor, none other than Sharmila Tagore, who has come back into Bengali films after a hiatus of 14 years. So obviously this is a prized possession for all of us. But I want to say that in Bengal it has already released and it has got rave reviews and it is running in packed houses. So duai hai aap sabki, and we had actually worked very hard for this film. And getting a Sharmila Tagore is not an easy task, because she's very choosy and she's not in the mood to do films at random. So obviously for us this was a like a challenge, because she only expressed her desire to do a film in her own language and said that if it is with Ritu, I want to do it. So it is my privilege. So now it has happened, and the box office is ringing, and of course it has opened. It has a grand opening, and today it is a weekday, and theaters are going houseful in Kolkata. So now we are at a very ahem point of this movie, because this is we are also seeing a release of the national release coming on the 18th of this month, which is day after tomorrow, and hence we want to address all of you. And so this movie actually is a very it's a beautiful saga of a mother and daughter relationship, but it also speaks about a lot of other relationships like husband and wife, and very interesting chemistry between a mother of the family and the rest of the family. So it speaks about very eternal things and very universal things. So I don't want to talk about only the Bengali part of it, but also I'm here in the capacity of an actor who wants to be recognized globally, and as well as the film wants to get recognized globally, because it is about the global emotion. It's not about only a race, a religion, or a language, or anything of that sort. So Shubham Ghosh, who is the director of the film, who wants to actually depict it's a larger discourse, and he wants to talk about relationships which are eternal, and which actually will make an impact on human minds of any language. So that way, this movie is subtitled, and we are also going to release the other language versions shortly. But now, as of now, we are releasing it in the subtitled version. And of course, this movie is very, very special to us. As Parul rightly said, that why this film? This film actually, because I have belonged to cinema for a very very long time. I always wanted to do sensible cinema, and I am doing sensible cinema, and I've done so many. So this time, this has been a very special event for us to have Sharmila Tagore in the film, and she has loved the part, and she has actually, sort of gave a lot of great. Her love to the film, and she has actually said that might be, I don't know, that maybe this can be her last film. So she has showered a lot of love and affection to this film, and people are raving about her. People are raving about the film. People are raving about our chemistry in the film. So I think, yeah, the movie has arrived now, and now it is in your hands to see the film, write good reviews, and let people know that we have actually done a very beautiful, sensitive film which talks about present conditions and not only the past. Puratan means ancient and the past, but this movie is a transition between the past, present, and the future. So this is a very modern film, and I hope that all kinds of generation, all kinds of people, everybody like the film, and love through their heart.
First of all, thank you for coming up in such numbers. Thank you so much. It's a very promising thing for us to see so many people when we are going for a national release. And so Puratan is a very important film for me, for all of us, for Ritu as a producer, because she has been able to get Sharmila Tagore out of the hiatus after 14 years, and she is back in cinema. Shuman Ghosh is the director. Uh, I remember that when we thought about the film, when we discussed about the concept of the film, there was always a kind of reservation, at least between me and Shumon, because the subject is a very serious subject. And we thought that it has a very niche appeal. And we always thought that we'll get people in theaters, but there'll be a certain niche section of the society, of the audience, which will probably want to watch it. But after the film is released, the kind of love that we have received over the weekend into the weekdays, and we are going
Yeah.
packed houses everywhere for a film of this kind of bracket. It's amazing. I mean, we are. Yesterday, I was talking to Shumon. Shumon lives in Miami. Has gone back to Miami.
He's a professor there.
economics professor. I was talking to him, and he was telling me, I cannot understand the phenomenon that this is a very different kind of film, but people are thronging the theaters to watch it. I do not understand what is happening, but
Yeah.
something is happening.
Something has happened. Some magic has been happening.
Yeah, so I feel it also has to say a lot about the audience, because we tend to presume that audience would like to watch a certain kind of film, and only niche audience watches this kind of film. It's not so. If it's good cinema, it's good cinema. It has turned out to be good cinema, and people are watching it, and we are loving the fact that we are part of it. Now I'll come to the global part of it. As Ritu has also said, that we are considering that film as a global film and not only a Bengali film, because I feel Puratan goes beyond the language. I would not hesitate saying something really big. Like when I watch a platform like Mubi, and I watch a Iranian film, and when I watch a Swedish film or any other foreign
Any
language
other
film,
foreign language.
that's not only a film of that country. It has already become a global film. I'm watching it because it appeals to me, even if I'm an Indian. So I feel Puratan falls in that bracket. It could be a foreign film which makes waves globally, and I will not be surprised if tomorrow I find Puratan on movie also.
Yeah.
And definitely it is going out in international festivals as well.
And it has already gone into international
Yes.
festivals and on Netflix.
Yes, so that's why Ritu thought that this is the right time to go national, because it is not limited by Bengali language only. It's a subject that the entire Indian population should try and watch, because it will appeal to everyone. It's a story of human emotions.
First of all, for me, it was a big challenge to act with such an iconic personality, such a diva. So I was little intimidated first, obviously, because for the simple reason that she's Sharmila Tagore, and we have grown up seeing her films, and then I think the ice broke very quickly, because she's such an effervescent person. She's such a beautiful human being. At the same time, she's such a dedicated actor. Such a commitment to her craft actually amazed me. And she was effortlessly being nice to everyone, and that's her nature. She was not trying to do anything more, but her nature was so beautiful that we blended so well. Be it in the acting part or as a personal space, it was it actually was very smooth. It was actually very smooth, and we never thought that she's very big personality. She's somebody. She's a Nawab's wife and all that. We never thought about that. She was so down to earth, and she actually gave 100% to the film, and she was so keen on everything, like simply because she was so attached to this part of what she was doing. And she said that my intonation is correct, or she was asking the director 100 times that whether her facial expression was right, or she wants to go for like he wants to go for a second take. So I found her uh, completely in a different space altogether, because I never met her on sets before. I've never seen her on sets, but for us, that was a lovely surprise that what she is. So yeah, so that's what I think that's what we saw in the film, because that kind of a chemistry and a beautiful blend, and anecdotes. I think she she always used to be very happy and very content and very calm and very composed. So all these things, worked very nice for the film together. Though she actually touched 80, but we can never understand that she's just passing through such an age. But she's always very heartily and happily giving everything, every shot, every part of her character, whatever best way she can.
Yes, as Ritu also said, Sharmila ji is the original Sapno Ki Rani, and she is such a legend that when you go on set and you know on the first day that you are going to work with Sharmila ji, the first thing is, although I have personally, I am never in awe of a co-actor, even if that co-actor is a legend, but you are always there is a little bit of apprehension because you never
Yeah.
know how the other person is. He's such a senior actor, so you always want to gauge how her temperament will be, what kind of a person she will be. Accordingly, you behave on the set. But the first shot or the first scene we shot, and it was very evident that she is an extremely warm person, in spite of being having that regal air around her because of who she is. Extremely warm, extremely human as a person, and that I think put all of us in a very comfortable space. And from then on, we could just treat Sharmila Tagore as the character in the film, or as the co-actor, which really helped us to perform because she was giving us that that safe space
Space, yeah,
to perform.
definitely.
And for everyone, for Ritu, for me, even for the much junior actors like the house help, who is way junior to her in terms of position in the industry, but everyone felt so comfortable around her while working. And
So
while
she has that charm.
yeah,
She
she
has
has the
that
charm, and off the sets during lunch break and all, it was always about food. It was
We
always
used to
about
get her
food.
home food, and she used to love fish and all that. We used to gorge in
Yes.
the food, and we used to have a lovely time.
Yeah, so we had a lovely time, and I will remember this experience with Sharmila Tagore. I mean, I loved her because I had never met her, never seen her, only on screen. You know, Sharmila Tagore, wow, such a diva. But when you see her in person, she's a bigger diva and bigger
Yeah.
legend, and I mean, a way better person than you would ever think looking at her on
Correct.
screen. She's such a lovely person.
Yeah. This is such an irony that um, I lost my mom just 5 months back, and of course I was completely devastated and what to say. But in the process of the film, I lost her. But we finished the film. Actually, I came back from Mami, and in 2 weeks she's gone. And, but she was very much a part of this dream. And I think when we started filming this, she was very enthusiastic, and she said that probably this will be one of your best films. So Ma has given a lot of blessings to this film. And of course, coming back to the real life, again, Sharmila ji plays my mother in the film, and it's such a beautiful bond of a mother and a daughter. I think this movie will stay with every mother and daughter whosoever watches the film. And this will actually give a lot of inspiration to a lot of mother daughter relationships. Maybe if it is like a cracked relationship, maybe there will be a way to mend it, or if it's a very loving relationship, I will hope that it will grow deeper, because this kind of relationship we don't see every day. Because this movie has taught a lot of people a lot of things, because the people who are watching it, they're kind of going back in their their impressions about life and their relationship with their parents, and they're all telling me that they're very grateful to me that I have gifted them such a film, because they're kind of finding that the real life story in our real life. So that's one part I think is like the achievement of the film. Yeah, as of course the box office is also ringing, but I feel very connected to the people, that they are actually loving and giving so much affection, because they're kind of relating to their own selves, and they're sort of the bond they are kind of really really happy about. So yes, to answer you, Parul, it's been a very difficult journey for me, and still it is, because without Ma, my life is completely empty. But with the happiness of the audience about this mother and daughter bond, this is actually meaning a lot of things to me, and yeah, this is what I will cherish forever. वो तो ऑडियंस ही बोल सकते हैं और मुझे अवार्ड देते हैं वो ही बोल सकते हैं. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई वेरी हार्ड. तो मैं बहुत परिश्रम करती हूँ, मेहनत करती हूँ. And I never have thought that there is any shortcut in this industry or shortcut in this profession. तो कभी shortcut नहीं ली. And I always wanted to work very hard and achieve जो hard work से achieve होता है वही मैं चाहती हूँ. So तो और कोई मंत्र नहीं है मेरा. It's only the patience, hard work and dedication. तो ऑडियंस को मैं कन्विंस कर सकती हूँ.
मेरा एक जवाब है इसमें. आपने
हाँ.
पूछा कि बंगाली फिल्म्स को हमेशा अवार्ड मिलता है, तो मेरे एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है मेरे दिमाग में, हो सकता है वो सही ना हो. बंगाली फिल्म का बजट बहुत कम होता है, ठीक है, तो गिमिक्स नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, ठीक है ना.
हाँ.
गाड़ियां नहीं उड़ती है, बिल्डिंग्स नहीं गिरते हैं, तो हमको ना फिर कहानी पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है,
हाँ.
और कैरेक्टराइजेशन पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, परफॉर्मेंस पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, जो कि एक्चुअल कंटेंट ऑफ सिनेमा होना चाहिए. सो मुझे लगता है कि वहां पे बंगाली फिल्म जो है बहुत स्कोर करती है, क्योंकि बजट के रेस्ट्रिक्शन से हमको कंटेंट पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, कंटेंट अच्छा बन जाता है फिर. सो ये हो सकता है.
हाँ. Content is the king.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So I think our appeal could only be that it's good cinema. First of all, we will never have the promotional budget to go all out and present it like a big blockbuster. Such films completely rely on word of mouth, right? So when our film releases on the 18th, and when you guys go and watch it, if you like it, like he has watched it, he has liked it, he has told many other
So
people.
please spread the word.
So we will depend definitely on the word of mouth. We have to depend on the content which we now believe, and we believe that our content is nice. That's why people are watching it, right? Also, India is a very diverse country. It has a lot of different kinds of people, different kinds of sections. Some people like watching huge blockbusters. Some people like watching deeper content. That's why films like A 12th Fail also works. It's not that only Jawan or Pathan work. The 12th Fail also works. Super Boys of Malegaon. Yesterday I was checking the screens where the Super Boys of Malegaon are still running. So there are people who are still watching it. Although it has been said that Super Boys of Malegaon is a flop, no one is watching.
No, that's a great film.
But it's a great film. I watched the film.
Yeah.
But there was a problem that people do not go to watch this and people go to watch only big films. But it's still running. In Orbit Malad, it's still running. There are 4 shows. So that means the
Good
demand
cinema
is building up over a certain period of time, because it's by word of mouth it's spreading. So we count on that. We feel there is a huge section of audience which also wants to watch this kind of film. So we count on that. We count on the intellect of the audience also. Not everyone is alike, and we have even I
Puratan actually suffices that.
suffices that space. And I personally see, for example, I also watch entertaining films, and I also watch deeper films. So it is not that you have different people to watch two different kinds of films. The same person could be watching both. Yeah. So we are counting on the audience and the word of mouth publicity.
तो एक्शन वाज ऑलवेज देयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक्शन नहीं था. बहुत सारे फिल्म्स हैं एक्शन के ऊपर आधारित, तो बहुत ही चले. तो आई एम वेरी मच आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो फील दैट मैं भी एक प्रोडक्ट हूँ कमर्शियल सिनेमा की. लाइक आई एम अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कमर्शियल सिनेमा. तो कमर्शियल सिनेमा में एक्शन, गाना, ड्रामा सब कुछ रहेंगे. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ सेक्शन विच पीपल वांट. So उसमें मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ, and I'm very proud that they have done this kind of a action drama with Khaki, and it's a international, I mean it's a national production, और it is on the OTT, तो सब लोग देख सकते हैं. तो I'm very happy with them, and also what Indranil said is also very right, that the other kind of space which we are looking for, or we now what we are doing with Puratan, we also try to evoke that sensibility in people, that this kind of cinema also exists, and this kind of cinema should also be seen with lot of more insightful audience, जो कि जिसकी audience है. अभी कैलकाटा में भी जब लोग आ रहे हैं ना हॉल थिएटर्स में, they are saying कि we are grateful to you that we have presented this kind of a film. हम लोग में सभी बात कर रहे हैं कि और भी हम कैसे इसको फैलाए, लोग को बोले, और लोग आए इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए, बिकॉज दिस इज सच अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस. तो वो जो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस जो होते हैं ना, वो भी कुछ फिल्मों से लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस भी मिलते हैं. जैसे ही सेड द 12th Fail, इट्स सच अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस आल्सो एज एन ऑडियंस टू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ अ फिल्म, बिकॉज हमारी जो जो फंडामेंटल रूट्स है, जो फंडामेंटल वैल्यूज है, कुछ फिल्मों में वो भी तो दिखाना चाहिए. So those are the
एक और बात, सॉरी एक और बात ये है कि जैसे कि अभी इंडियन फिल्म्स लाइक गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स और ऑल वी इमेजिन इज राइट. Am I saying the name right?
All we imagine is right.
Right. So ये international acclaim मिल रहा है इनको, ठीक है? They are very rooted Indian films.
Yeah.
They are rooted in Indian culture, but उसको international acclaim मिल रहा है. Although the international culture doesn't match with our Indian culture, but because the story, the germ of the story is so true,
So powerful.
so
Also.
powerful that they're liking it. So पूरा
Girls will be girls can be a universal content, right?
Yeah.
Because though it has started from India, with
Yeah.
all these girls' schools and all that, but it is an international. वही मेरा बात है that this film is also an international content.
at least national तो है ही.
And
International international
because this speaks about universal, emotion. It's about the eternal emotions about mother and daughter, husband and wife crisis, but son-in-law and mother-in-law conflict, or love, affection, बहुत कुछ.
and very today's film.
And very today's,
Very
it's very
today's.
present.
Yeah.
देखिए उस मामले में तो मैं इतना एजुकेटेड नहीं हूँ बात करने के लिए, बिकॉज आई दैट इज नॉट माई एरिया ऑफ कमेंट. लेकिन यही चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग अच्छे रहे और हारमोनियस कोएग्जिस्टेंस बने. बहुत कुछ है इस मूव में देखने के लिए जो यूथ को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. हम लोग इसमें एक एक्सपीडिशन का सीन है जो हम लोग केव्स में जाके किया. वो मेघालय केव्स के अंदर हम दोनों गए थे और उसके अंदर शूटिंग किया और रूट ब्रिज में शूटिंग किया और डॉकी रिवर के अंदर शूटिंग किया. सो ये एक जो एक्सप्लोरेशन की बात है ना, हमारी यूथ बहुत एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं, हाइकिंग में जाते हैं, यू नो दे गो फॉर दिस की बोले माउंटेनियरिंग एंड ऑल दिस स्टफ. सो दोज आर द थिंग्स यू नो द यूथ एक्चुअली दे लव दिस काइंड्स ऑफ स्टफ. सो हम लोग की इस फिल्म में वी हैव अ पार्ट where we are talking about the new age stuff, like he's a wildlife photographer and I'm a corporate humcho. So today's life is so busy and everybody is so busy with their own lives and बहुत कुछ target oriented होते हैं. You have to meet the target in the companies. So कितना उलझ रहते हैं आप. So all these things, and also coming back to your home with your mother, the relationship. So all these things, I think today's youth is dealing with this kinds of stuff. So these are the few things which people might see and feel that this movie actually talks and caters about a lot of things which people want to know, people want to see, and people want to feel in their own ways. So cinema actually gives you that high, that way out, that little focus in your lives. That these are the parts maybe you can focus. These are the parts you can actually feel inside you. That life can be this or life cannot be this. So there are a lot of interesting dilemmas which people can actually interact with.
अभी एआई का जमाना है, वीएफएक्स है, स्मार्ट आर्ट की दुनिया है, में क्या उम्मीद है इस फिल्म को जो इस तरह की ऑडियंस को खींच पाएगा?
देखिए, ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप ऑलवेज विन. मुझे लगता है कि ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप और ह्यूमन कनेक्शंस दे हैव they are more than a mechanical story. ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप की शिप के अंदर जो खासियत होती है, जो अपनापन होते हैं, जो एक अफेक्शन होते हैं ना, तो वो एआई में या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में नहीं होता है. दोज आर आर्टिफिशियल थिंग्स व्हिच वी नो दैट दीज आर मेड अप, वीएफएक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वी कैन एंजॉय दैट. लेकिन जो डीपर कनेक्शन जो बनते हैं वो इमोशन से बनते हैं. सो आई थिंक दिस मूवी इज ऑल अबाउट इमोशंस, है ना. एक ही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि बहुत मेहनत से, कड़ी मेहनत से एक फिल्म बनाए हम. नॉट ओनली मी बट माय एंटायर टीम, लाइक मी, इंद्रनील, शर्मिला टैगोर, माय एंटायर भावना, जो कल हमारी कंपनी, सब लोग, रवि आएगी,
रवि किरण अय्यगरी,
Ravi Kiran Aigi, our cinematographer, our associate director Monica, our director Shumon Ghosh, our music Alokananda Dasgupta. She's one of the most eminent and proficient music director, music composer, who has done Sacred Games, Jubilee, all these films. And एक बहुत मनचाहिदा गाना है इसमें, that is by Shreya Ghoshal. Beautiful song, and the ambience, the sensitivity of the film, the milieu, सब कुछ आई थिंक पीपल विल लव. तो मेरा एक ही मैसेज है कि बहुत कड़ी मेहनत से एक फिल्म बनाए आप लोगों के लिए, जो शर्मिला टैगोर हैज कम बैक आफ्टर 14 years. तो इज्जत करिए हमारी मेहनत की, और यू शुड गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड सी द फिल्म एंड टेल पीपल इफ यू लाइक इट, इफ यू लव इट, राइट एंड स्प्रेड द वर्ड. सो हमको बहुत खुशी है.
मैं, ऋतु ने सब कुछ बोल दिया. मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोलना चाहूंगा इस बारे में कि बच्चन साहब बोलते हैं एक एक टूरिज्म का जो एक ऐड किया है उन्होंने, उसमें बोलते हैं
हाँ।
ना, एक बार आइए तो सही। So, मैं मुझे लगता है कि हमारे फिल्म के लिए वो important
एक बार आइए तो
है। एक
सही।
बार आइए तो सही, एक बार देखिए तो सही, अच्छा लगेगा आप सबको।
I vouch for it that it is an international production. It is an international film because language is no bar. आज की लैंग्वेज में कोई फर्क नहीं है, इमोशन सब जगह एक है। हमारी ह्यूमन इमोशंस को अगर हम अहमियत देते हैं तो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, लैंग्वेज को नहीं। एज ई सबटाइटल्ड है, आप लोगों को सबको समझ में आ जाएंगे, लेकिन मुझे ये बात बोलने की बहुत आवश्यकता है कि लैंग्वेज इज नो बार, the emotion is what you want to see of it. ज्यादातर शूटिंग एक कैलकाटा में हुई थी, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लोकेशन में, जहाँ पे एक बहुत ओल्ड किस्म की एक हाउस है, एक मैंशन काइंड ऑफ हाउस विच इज ओल्ड डिलैपिडेटेड, एंड वी नीडेड दैट ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ अ हाउस by the Ganges, and that's one part of the shooting location, and the other part we shot in Meghalaya, जहाँ पे it's a very virgin location, कभी shooting नहीं हुई उधर। We shot at the root bridge, that caves and everything, Dauki river, so बहुत खूबसूरत नज़ारा है। Yeah, of course. I mean, I'm really looking forward. 18th, we are going into the release of the film all over India, and खास करके Mumbai is also our place, also my place. My beautiful journalist friends are here, who will definitely take care of the film. And I'm very very looking forward to a great run, क्योंकि नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल रन भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारी फिल्म के लिए, बिकॉज वी वांट टू टेक दिस मूवी इनटू द ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म। क्योंकि ग्लोबली अगर ये, जैसे इंद्रनील ने बोला कि लैंग्वेज में हम लोग जो भी लैंग्वेज में फिल्म देखते हैं, या इट इज़ फ्रेंच, इटालियन, इंडोनेशियन, चाइनीज, जापानीज, कोरियन, व्हाटएवर इट इज़, व्हाटएवर फिल्म्स वी सी, इट इज़ द इमोशन विच हिट्स अस। तो ये भी वैसे ही एक फिल्म है जो विल हिट यू फ्रॉम इनसाइड, और मुझे लगता है कि बॉम्बे कभी मुझे निराश नहीं किया, आज भी नहीं करेंगे।